She has a soft spot for seed-eating songbirds. That's right. She keeps finches, oh yes she does. About 24 of them in ornate cages in her apartment. An admirable habit, a wonderful hobby, but you'll never get her to admit it.
They're only 3 inches, they live in bunches, the perfect pragmatic community. They love being watched, they hate being touched, they're immune to sentimentality. Their carbon footprint is non-existent, they never need to lie or cheat. Their cages are stackable, their feelings unflappable, their feathers efficient, their love discreet. Are utopian, a miniature culture without contradiction. My only affliction's affection for them.